Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Town in Roblox. This game immerses you in tactical combat and strategic base building, where survival is key. To start, you'll need to join the game's official group and play for approximately 1 hour to unlock essential building tools. Your primary objective is to establish a formidable base, acquire powerful gear, and outmaneuver other players in this dynamic environment. Get ready for intense action and strategic gameplay. Getting equipped is crucial for success in Town Roblox. You can access a comprehensive menu of weapons, attachments, and armor by simply typing CMDS in the in-game chat. To acquire a weapon, use commands like spawn AK for an AK-47 or spawn MP5K for a faster option. Don't forget to spawn attachments like suppressors and night vision goggles to enhance your combat effectiveness. Proper gear makes a significant difference in engagements. Building a secure base is fundamental to your survival and dominance. First, claim your territory by typing. Create plot in the chat, which grants you a substantial 99 by 99 building area. Once you have your plot, use B tools to access your construction tools and start designing your stronghold. Remember to save your progress frequently with Save plot name so you can easily load your base in future sessions. A well-built base offers significant tactical advantages. Mastering combat is essential for thriving in Town Roblox. The Riot Shield is a powerful defensive tool. Press Z to deploy it and F to switch between full cover and shooting modes. For best results, pair your shield with smaller, agile weapons such as the MP5K. Success in engagements often comes down to precise timing and strategic positioning, not just superior firepower. Consistent practice will sharpen your skills and lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.